Welcome to Midea Inverter AC Error Codes Guide. In this video, you will learn what each error code means. On this channel, we explain AC errors in simple language, one error at a time. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to like the video.
E0 error indicates a problem with the AC's EEPROM or internal memory.
E2 occurs when the AC detects a power phase issue. E3 means the indoor fan speed is abnormal. E5 points to outdoor temperature sensor open or short circuit. Sintino about the temp sensor garura. E6 indicates indoor or evaporator sensor open short. P0 means overcurrent protection triggered in inverter module. P1 appears when voltage is too high or low. The digital show voltage at 280 and then low voltage at 90. P2 indicates compressor overheating. P4 points to a problem in the inverter compressor drive. The compressor mechanism slows and an error indicator activates. P5 means inverter module protection activated on some models. PF indicates power factor correction protection on large units. E4 is for indoor temperature sensor T1, open or short.
EC shows a refrigerant leak detected.
F4 points to outdoor ambient temperature sensor issue. F2 indicates condenser temperature sensor fault. F3 shows discharge sensor error in outdoor compressor. F4 points to outdoor troubleshoot or control board memory error.
Subscribe for more AC repair secrets and tips.
Drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.
If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us make more great content.